has been given. So we'll start with Nikhil. Rishi, you are managing the timeline?
Yes, sir, we are managing it.
Okay, so let us start. So Nikhil.
Yes, thank you. Yes, hello everyone. Myself Nikhil Chhallani. I have qualified in May 25 attempt. Good afternoon to all the esteemed panelists, jury members, and the audience. So I would like to live present or demonstrate of an AI tool which is free to use. And the story behind this, I would say that it began in the articleship days. I used to struggle in the initial day. What sort of things we need to do, how the practical things need to be done. And I joined in the articleship days was a busy season. So in the office, we sort of go to different type of people. Please help me. You can help me on this or not. But in the busy season, you don't get that full command. So in the today's world, I found that why not we have a solution for that, and so I'm presenting before you the same solution. So first, let us get the discussion on the challenges. In my solution is specific to the audit, but it can be used in different departments also, in tax, in your accounting, in finance, in valuation, everything. But today I'm presenting on the specific to audit. In the audit, many a times we face the challenges related to inconsistency across how the documentation is done. In articleship days, it used to be said that the thing not documented is not done. Whenever article sees, but he forgets to document the thing. There should be a checklist on all the things. There could be a knowledge sharing between the senior and junior. It could be weak, and in the busy season, you cannot every time go and see. So here we have in today's time a solution that is the notebook LM. So it's an platform developed by the Google. It's free to use. You can just Google it out, notebook LM, and you can create your own sort of buddy who can help you out. So in this platform, we can see that we this is the interface of the platform. I have added the few of the sources related to audit, and it's very easy to use. I can show you. If you click add, you can add different kind of sources. If you have the Google Drive, the data of your internal files can be added here. You can add from the websites, you can add from YouTube, or also you can paste some customized procedures related to your firm, or different kind of sources. So you can add here up to 50 different kind of sources. It could be PDF, it could be Word file, it could be any website link, it could be your internal documents which you can add. And the best part of this notebook LM is that you get control like a buddy. This is the whole summary of your sources. It has been added. Same like a chat GPT, you can ask different types of questions. So in this, I have added the sources from the public domain to keep the transparency and easy to use. You
Nikhil,
can see. So
Nikhil,
this is the ICI resource on different type of
Nikhil ji.
standards of auditing, SQCs. I have just copied the link. I just click add, and in the link I have just paste the source. You can see the different kind of sources from the
Nikhil
ICA.
ji.
Many a times we need the working papers. We
Nikhil,
need to develop it.
Nikhil, we are
But
finding
yes,
there a lot of trouble with your audit. This audio that you are sharing, audio is not very clear.
Nikhil
is
ji,
there
you
any
can switch off
issue?
your video so that your audio
Yes,
comes
sir.
properly to us.
Yes, sir.
I guess there is some network issue.
Okay. Is it okay now? Audio? I have
You
turned
speak,
off
we'll
the
tell you.
TV.
You speak, we'll tell you.
Okay, okay. Yes. So yes, I was on the platform. So it's just like a ChatGPT, but with the trusted sources which you have added over the platform. So you can just discuss different types of question. It's a buddy. You can go. You can rely on that. Moreover, it has the few of the one of the greatest functionalities. We can get audio podcast just by clicking here. We can get the audio podcast ready on your sources. So you can see I just click here and the audio is being generated and I can just play. So yes, on these sources, it has developed me a podcast of 18 minutes. Any new joinee in the firm, it can hear the podcast, understand the concepts, and just get through it. Next functionality of this website is the mind map. So as you click, you can get the sources being ready. So this was our one first source in a different kind of standards on auditing were there. From that, if I click on suppose audit documentation, what is the need of audit documentation? So you can see a mind map is been ready. What is the purpose? What is the content? What is the form? What is the key documentation requirements which are mandatory? So you can just click on purpose. You get more understanding what are the purpose of an auditor. So this functionality can be within the clicks you can develop and it's easy to develop. Next is a flashcard you can develop based on your sources. So I just click on the flashcard. It just get generate and you can see the flashcards. What are the two overall objectives of an auditor when conducting an audit? And you can just recall it and you can just check your answers. So this also develops a good understanding, recall power to every new joinee in the firm. It could drastically change the game. There is also quiz, there are also reports you can based on your sources you generate. You can also get video explanations with the help of the AI. And this is the basic functionality of this. So with this, what you can achieve? You can achieve faster knowledge access. Once a firm has developed a notebook of all the sources it can use, you can get the grounded response and audit rate. For every response we get, there is a link. Means you can refer the original documentation also. Suppose here if I ask essay 230 related thing, and if I click here, you can get on which source what lines are mentioned, you can refer that. Next, we can get the consistency over the firm in all the documentation. It also helps in training and onboarding the new joinees. Multimedia and flexible inputs, as I have shown, we can add different kinds of sources, being it a video, PDF. There is no limitation. You can add any up to 50 sources different you can add. Next is collaboration and sharing. So you can share your one notebook if you have developed. You can share with within your firm who can further get guide. And last is discovery and external sources. It also offers a new and a very good functionality, discovery. So if you are unable to find the sources, you can just give here your topic name and it will find for you the latest sources from the websites, and based on that you can further do your research work, being it everything. As it is an AI comes with an limitations, and we need to keep in mind what limitation this has. So the only thing, the limitation of this is to use the uploaded documents. If your sources are not very reputed or not authentic, then it could create inaccurate responses in your response output. And this is not only limited to audit. You can make customize for your GST, for your NDS accounting, being it not only CFOs. If fellow chartered accountants are working in a company, it can also help there in consulting, in marketing, and n number of uses this tool has. So yes, I keep the floor open for the Q&A. If anyone has any further updates, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to present use case. Thank you.
Okay, Nikhil. So the first question that I wish to ask is the tool that you have demonstrated, who is going to be the best user of the tool? Who is going to use it? Is what is
So there are three persons who can best use. In our CA profession, the new joinees can use it. Second could be the higher level in our finance profession. As we know that many new updates are coming. Recently, GST being updated. So if you update the government circular on the portal, you can get n number of things to understand. You can get mind map. What are the changes? What are not the changes? So second, the partners at the higher level, and third, the CEOs and CXO levels. They could tailor the tool basically with the perspective of latest schemes the government is giving incentives. What are the incentives to get develop and easy to use?
and Nikhil, what shall be the deliverable from this tool that you have shared? Means what in terms of the user, you have defined the user. What output shall this tool generate, and what purpose this that output will serve for the user?
Yes, I would like to explain this with an example. I would take my articleship experience only. In a intertime, we have read that bank confirmation we need to send, but the process of sending the bank confirmation in the practical life, we need to check all the things. That have you done the address verification of the bank? Have we sent the correct confirmation? In this tool, if I have updated the audit work papers which ICI has issued as a standard audit papers, it can help you generate the confirmations in internal process. If there is some external additional process, tool will help me guide what the next steps you need to do.
Okay. My co-jury Rahul, if he wishes to add to this, yeah.
No, sir, you
Yes.
have asked the complete question, but I will add one thing. Nikhil, how you wanted to differentiate between the other tools like Claude or Perplexity? Because Perplexity is also providing this of information, but it can also give you the sources, reliable sources.
Right, sir. Agreed. Claude or the Perplexity works on the internet-based sources. But if your firm has some internal process you need to follow, some firms have been known for their expertise knowledge that cannot be available on the internet. So in this, we can add our internal sources and it will work on that. Plus, it will be confidential also to your users where you are sharing it.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir, we can move on for the next participant. Atul, sir. Sir, you are in mute, yes.